Okay, question from the internet, from social media. This gentleman here is asking me, or asking us in general, how many grafts do I think you would need to fill in this crown area? Disclaimer here, I'm not seeing him, I didn't do a consultation on him, I'm just basically gonna give you a number that I think might be what I would recommend if he was here, if this was accurate, if his donor availability was okay. So yeah, this is not a recommendation I'm making for him or anybody. This is just an estimation of what I would do if I was seeing a patient in a similar situation. So a couple of things to understand here. You know, if you look at the overall area of hair loss, it's actually fairly large, but he's got good hair there. It's not bald, shiny bald. So definitely medical therapy, finasteride, minoxidil, or something similar could help us by preserving these hairs so we don't need as many grafts or as many hair transplants. Also maybe strengthening these hairs, so we want to preserve them. Also crown area, in my opinion, my philosophy is that I don't want to compromise the entire donor zone for this area because he may need it for the front later, and if I used it all here, leave him nothing. So I'm not a proponent of these super mega hyper sessions that people propose nowadays, 3,000 grafts, 4,000, 5,000. I don't believe that that's a good thing to do because you exhaust the donor zone in one procedure. I would think with 1,500, maybe 1,800 grafts, up to 2,000, maybe you can look pretty nice, particularly if we were able to preserve and strengthen these natural hairs here. You know, every hair is important, and for me, I need to preserve this because if I allow him to continue losing, then I'm going to be chasing forever. So medications are important. Thanks.